Welcome. In this video, we will present how to simulate and analyze a soil nail wall model in front of board bridge pier piles in DeepEX software. Initially, we access and edit the soil properties. We adjust the properties for the S1 and GT soils in our database, adjusting the cohesion for each soil. For both soils, we will select the exponential behavior, which will correspond to the soil hardening constitutive law in FEM analysis, assuming 500 psf and 800 psf modulus of elasticity for the S1 and the GT soil respectively. In the borings dialog, we specify the elevation and soil type for each soil layer. We click to edit the wall section. In this case, we choose to use concrete soldier piles to simulate the bridge piers. We adjust the pile spacing and diameter, as well as the widths for the calculation of the lateral earth pressures. In the Concrete Rebars tab, we can adjust the longitudinal and shear reinforcement. We add a new construction stage and we adjust the surface points on the right side of the piles in order to form the sloped excavation surface. We will excavate to elevation minus 20 feet. We access the water table settings dialog and adjust the water table elevation for both wall sides. In the Slope tab of DeepEX, we can choose to draw independent soil nails or draw a soil nail group. We select the corresponding tool and click on the slope surface points. Similarly, we use the Draw a Facing tool to add the shotcrete facing, click on the two slope points and press Enter. We can access the facing and adjust the thickness and reinforcement. We access each soil nail and make sure that it is connected with the correct facing. Next, we will apply a lateral, an axial, and a moment load on the pile head to simulate the loads from the superstructure. We select the corresponding tools, click on the pile, and for each load type we will adjust the load elevation and magnitude. The direction of the loads depends on the magnitude. For linear load, we can specify the horizontal and vertical components Px and Pz. For the moment, a positive value creates a counterclockwise moment. Finally, we will change the analysis method to finite elements approach and specify a fine FEM mesh density. We select to analyze the model. In the Analysis and Checking Summary table, we can see critical results for the piles. On the model area, we can load and review several result graphs for the piles, including the pile moment, shear, and displacement diagrams. We can also display several FEM shading results, including the soil mass stresses, displacement, and settlement shadings, total displacement arrows for each examined FEM node, and more. Thank you. Visit our website and discover how our software can elevate your engineering designs.